Hi, this is Michelle Romano with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'd like to welcome you to our new listing located in Ridgegate. The address is 9229 Kornbrust Drive in Lone Tree. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome, block and leave capabilities, and it's incredibly updated. Can't wait to show you around. Come on in. Nothing beats this location. It's located in Lincoln Park community, which is walking distance from shopping, from restaurants. It's absolutely incredible. So if you have anyone who's interested and would like to set up a private showing, have them give me a call. Otherwise, I'm going to have an open house this Saturday, January 6th from 12 to 2. I'll see you there.